Example 3. We're going to solve using substitution the system of y equals 10x minus 6 and y equals negative 4x plus 8. From our introduction, we learned that we should begin this process by looking for an equation that is solved for a variable. Well, don't you know it? Both of these equations happen to be solved for y. That makes this actually really simple, not scary at all. So we circle up one of these equations. Truthfully, it does not matter which one. I chose the second one. And we are going to replace the y in the first equation with our circled information. Let's see what that looks like. So we end up with negative 4x plus 8 equaling 10x minus 6. Okay, let's begin solving for x. Let's see what we get. So I'm going to add 4x to both sides of the river, giving me 8 equals 14x minus 6. I'm going to add 6 to both sides of the river, giving me 14 equals 14x. And finally, I'm going to divide by 14 on both sides of the river so that 1 equals x. I'm not going into a whole lot of detail in that solving process. I'm hoping that you're a master at that by this point. Okay, now that we know what x is equal to, let's go solve for y. And this is new for us. So step 4 says that we're going to replace the x in the circled equation with the value that we just found. And then we will use that information to solve for y. Let's see what that looks like. That's going to give us y equals negative 4 times 1 plus 8. So, order of operations, let's go solve for y. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 plus 8. Y ends up equaling positive 4. Hey, we're ready to write out our final answer, which will always be in the format of x and then y, regardless of which variable you solve for first. We learned that x has a value of 1 and y has a value of 4. Therefore, our final answer is the coordinate point 1, 4. And there you go.